Judging by the exuberant expressions on their faces, I anticipate that the immediate next step will be the communal opening of that mysterious, soil-covered canister currently being held by the older gentleman. It's highly probable that they've stumbled upon a time capsule, and they will likely spend the next several minutes meticulously documenting and discussing whatever artifacts or records are tucked away inside. Following this discovery, the group will presumably integrate this find into the upcoming Harvest Festival, perhaps making it a centerpiece of the Saturday celebrations mentioned on the banner. As the day progresses, I expect the atmosphere of collaborative joy to spread to the other volunteers in the background, leading to a productive afternoon of final preparations and festive organizing before the community arrives.
Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the co-founder and tutor at TestPass Online School. I am a certified CELPIP instructor and have already trained more than 100 students to help them reach their target scores. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you feel inspired to push forward with your preparation. If you're ready to take the next step, head over to our website, testpass.ca, and book a free 30-minute consultation. During our call, I'll help you figure out your specific goals and create a plan for our classes. Plus, when you start studying with me, you can save over $300 on your prep journey. Let's begin this journey of improvement and practice together so you can pass the CELPIP at whatever level you need. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.